Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Betterment for IRA contribution dates, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Betterment for your IRA contributions, start by visiting the Betterment website. On the homepage, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Next, provide your personal information, including your name and address. Make sure to input your date of birth accurately. After that, you will need to select your employment status. Continue by answering a few questions regarding your financial situation. This information helps Betterment tailor investment options to your needs. Once you've completed the questionnaire, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box and click on Continue. You will be prompted to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Betterment. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Now, log back into your Betterment account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the IRA section of the platform. Select the IRA type you wish to open, such as traditional or Roth IRA. Fill out the required information for the selected IRA type. You will need to provide details about your contribution preferences. Specify the amount you plan to contribute and your desired contribution dates. Review all the information entered for accuracy. After confirming the details, submit your application. Wait for Betterment to review and process your IRA application. Once approved, you will receive a notification in your account. You can now start making contributions to your IRA on the specified dates. Ensure to monitor your contributions throughout the year. Check periodically to stay updated on contribution limits and deadlines. This will help you maximize your retirement savings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.